Okay, yeah, we're gonna do some level design today. I think we finished up everything. We kind of did some editing of the tile map, but I'm not gonna worry too much about like how it looks just yet, because I don't know, it's subject to change. It's also not perfect. I do have an idea though of like what we can add, and maybe I'll show that off today. We'll see. If we get bored of the level design, I'll work on that, or we'll do it tomorrow. We'll see. So let's finish up this room. See what we can do here. I'm gonna get rid of all of these tiles. I wonder if I should add like decorations to each of these rooms, or maybe I should just save that for like another day, or you know, when we want to polish this game, that's when we'll do it. We'll see. I also want to make a cave tile map, so well, we won't do it today. We'll do it tomorrow. Alright, let's make some tiles here. Alright, something like that. I wonder, so we end up here, and then we could finish it off here. Like, we could call this the end of the room, and then, you know, and then we start making something else here, or we add even more stuff. Decisions. I might just call it here for this room. Let's see. Go up here. Finish out. Yeah, we could call it here. I wonder, maybe I can add something here, like maybe an NPC. Like, there's so much extra space. Maybe make this look more like a cave. Oh my god. Alright. Here, let's do this. I do need to finish the spikes over here. And we'll add, like, maybe scaffolding, some furniture on the side, and then we'll get on to the next room. That looks pretty good. Alright, let's do something right here with the scaffolding. Oh, we only have 2 tiles here, or technically 4, but it's gonna look slightly weird. Let's see. Maybe it won't be too bad. We have a tile map there. We have our light. Do we have our light decoration? Decoration lights. Put one right there, and for our, we don't have furniture or tile maps in this room. Furniture tile map. Is this it? Yeah. Alright, we'll just put some boxes. Something like that. Maybe a chest. And what else? Something like that. And yeah, a light node would be nice. Maybe go for this one. Okay, good enough. There are no light nodes all throughout the level. Unless we put some in here, maybe, like right there. Or maybe right here. We could also get rid of these spikes. You know, I could get, yeah, let me try this. I'm gonna get rid of spikes right there. And let's put a light node. Like that. Let's see how that looks. Not bad, not bad. It does seem a little empty. I think this area needs to be updated just a bit, like, because right now they kind of just walk in and then they have some, there's no jumping here, so I'm gonna just make that look a little weird, or a little different. We'll put some more spikes right here. Oops. Something like that. Maybe we can get rid of this and do something like that instead. Get our spikes. Like that. Okay, let's get rid of this as well. The background auto tile is a little weird. And there's some extra wall decorations right there. Get rid of that. Alright. This is not bad. Yeah, you know what bothers me is that there's like this little extra section right here. That's the only thing that bugs me. But I think if we just redo... Oh! I also want to make sure this doesn't happen. Our hitbox is smaller than... our collision box is smaller than our hitbox. I'll have to fix that. Yeah, I forgot I didn't update that. So we'll do that in the next update. Let me write that down actually. More levels, fixes, zipline state, fix player physics collision shape in twilight state. Alrighty. Okay. Oh, I didn't realize that we made an exit here, but we can't even get out because this part's too much. We could expand on this, maybe like bring the player up a bit. Damn. They go here, then. You know, we could make a secret in this room. Maybe that's what we'll do. And for now, we'll just build up. We have to do something slightly extra. I'm trying to think, what could we do? The player jumps up, they dash up. Let's see. Maybe like a zigzag. Could do like a quick zigzag. We'll put a checkpoint right here, and We'll do something like... we'll see. So usually, like this is like 4 tiles, but this, like, we give them a lot of open area to begin with, and then certain areas will be thinner than others. I haven't had enough people test out the mechanic to see like which is the best, but I'm gonna try this. We'll try this out. We'll make a little zigzag here. Let's see, like this, then no, wait. Wait a second. Something like this, then like this, then like this. But yeah, I think we need more space than this. Or you know what? Maybe we'll just try it out like this and see how it looks. Maybe give it a strange structure like that. Like that. And well, I wanted to keep this room like within the bounds of of 320 pixels on the x-axis, so that we don't move the camera at all. I think this will work. I am concerned though that because it's so long, oops, we're going to get some. We can just expand this just a bit, and that way the camera will go up. That's our first solution. Also, I want to make this a little harder. Something like that. And then go out through here, maybe quick little section like that. Maybe. Okay, something like this I think is a good idea. It's not too difficult, I don't think. Let's grab. Oh, what happened? So yeah, something like this. Then they escape, get out. Not too difficult. We'll keep this here for the time being. Grab this. Make a duplicate here for the exit. And I think this, actually, this is going to be like a secret entrance. I don't know what to do here. Oh, wait, actually, let's bring that back, because we do need to spawn. Put it right there. Maybe we'll ignore it for now, but yeah, it would be cool to have something that goes from, you know, this entrance to this little section here. I don't know what I would put here. Maybe a cat, memory stone, something. Yeah, we could put a memory stone. It wouldn't be too bad. Ooh. Okay. Go through here, jump through, and bang. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not like complicated, overly complicated. It's more so just dodging. I guess maybe once we put the spikes, it'll be a little harder. Let's see. Grab some. So I want to listen to some. Some Fury. Yeah, so I have a feeling level design is going to be very annoying with this, especially like having to add spikes everywhere. God. And like also having to switch between certain sections. You know what I'm thinking I could do instead is we can make like a really smart hey, how's it going, Half Moon? I was just thinking about, like, we could make an auto tile, something like this, and we would automatically detect what section needs spikes. That way I don't have to like draw every time, you know. We would check, okay, is there a tile below? Put some spikes there. If there's a tile to the left, we put left spikes. If there's a tile above, put right spikes. Instead of having to draw, you know, on each little corner. It's kind of annoying. Going really good. I'm gonna have to do some work today. Nice. What time is it for you again? I also streamed earlier today, and we made some progress. I don't think I did much, but I'd like to do more today. 22 right now. Okay. And you're gonna do some work right now today? At this hour? Yeah, so I'm thinking maybe we should make a spiked tile map. Make our life a little easier. Oh, okay. I see. So, you're probably gonna go to sleep soon? Wait, I mean from 22 to 5 a.m. Wait, oh my god. Damn, you have a interesting sleep schedule. You know, I think it might be because of the shader. I've never seen this before. The our raycasts and hitboxes are blue. Okay. So should I do this right now? I feel like it'll be greatly beneficial. It'll probably save some time too when it comes to adding the spikes everywhere, because then I could just edit. Oh my god, it's gonna take a lot of work though. All right, let's do it. No complaints. I'm wondering, should I make a new tile map or should I just use the one that we're currently using? I'm gonna use the one that we're currently using. Edit that one. I am concerned though. I'm wondering, like, one, we need a reference to this, like, to each of our auto tiles. On the ready function, and then we would compare the tiles of our main auto tile to our spikes, and then place it appropriately. And then this would allow us to also do like little sections here, like to connect them, but I'm not gonna worry about that just yet. Hey, how's it going, Missy? Didn't work on my game yesterday, so you know now. So yeah, I feel that. I think that's why I woke up, like, I didn't wake up early, but like like lately, like today and yesterday, I woke, like, usually I've been waking up at 3 p.m. like an hour ago, like super late. But because maybe it's because of the game jam, or because of like the the pressure of trying to finish my game is it's always bugging me. I've been waking up early now, and I'm like, first thing I do in the morning, brush my teeth, make some tea, take a caffeine pill, and then I'm straight to working. So yeah, I get that. And we're doing I'm doing my second stream right now. Like, we're on a roll. It's weird because, like, I don't feel like I'm making that much progress, but I think there is a decent amount of progress being made. But it's just, I'm starting to realize how much work I really need to do, and it can get to you, I assume a lot of people are in the same boat as me. So here, I'm gonna update our sticky notes again, because I do want to add. I'm gonna make a better spike tile map. And what we could do on top of this is add, we could make it so that there's an area 2D on the spikes instead of how it is now, which is like we're putting actual, like, unique nodes everywhere. We'll see. Honestly, it wouldn't be too annoying to like fix later on, so I might just ignore it for now. Yeah. All right, let's do this. Let's go into our spike tile map. We're gonna need a reference to the current path, or sorry, reference to the current auto tile. So we'll say var collision auto tile, or yeah, we'll say current auto tile. Current auto tile is equal to, I'm thinking we could either make this an export var. We could make this an export var. Var path, like current tile, current auto tile. Oh my god, is equal to null. Or we could do this directly in the code. So like if we have a spike tile map, we just go into our dude, I'm actually kind of worried. Not worried. Dude, I'm rambling right now. You go into the room, have it access, like write it in the room code, be like, hey, here's our spike tile map, here's our auto tile, stuff like that. Don't know. Never feel that I make good progress. My game isn't even playable in the current state. I mean, it's like that for a long time, so that's fair. Also, how's it going, Missy? I don't think I asked you. I just said hi. I will be right back. I gotta use the bathroom. Am I gonna be A or B? No, I'm back. I'm blocked whenever I have to work on my kit game, and my Milk board game is having a deadline as the jam is. I see. So which one do you plan on finishing, the board game or the video game? Okay, let's see. What did I do? Oh yeah, we didn't do anything. I was still trying to figure out if I want to add the path file. Yeah, the issue with the path file, grabbing like the path of the node is, I don't know, maybe converting it into Godot 4 will be annoying. Whereas doing it with the main scene, like we would basically just iterate through each of our tile maps on every room. It's hard, man. I don't know what to do. Let's just do a path file. Call it a day. If we want to change it later on, it'll be pretty easy. So we want to do export. I think. Let me look this up. Node. I think it's node path var. Like that. And then what we would want to do in our ready function, we don't have anything else. Yeah, we'll do func get. So this is our current auto tile path. Node path. We want a var current auto tile. Gonna work on my game. Wish you good luck. I'm a BR. Alright, sounds good. Good luck on your game. Current auto tile is equal to null. And then what we're gonna do over here, our function, is we basically want to figure out where we want to place all of our tiles. We're going to iterate through our spikes actually. So let's do this. Func spikes tile map. Func place spikes. And this is kind of what we did in our ready function. We get, we did for cell and use cells, and then we, place them here. This is a good starting point, but this only works on, like, we have to place them individually, or like place the rows and columns individually. Whereas with this is going to be more of like a fill out the entire perimeter. So what we're going to do is say for. How do I want to do this? We want to iterate through the children of this auto tile, of our current auto tile. So we're going to say for cell, for cell in current auto tile dot get used cells. And you know what? Maybe we could even make a I wonder if we could make this dynamic. Yeah, let's do this. I'm gonna say get current get available tiles. So okay. Func get available tiles, and here, this is basically what we want to do. Let's say we have an auto tile here. Pretend this is our room, and our auto tile is these walls on the side. Let's say there's, here, let me fill this in so it looks good. Let's say there's an auto tile here. Why doesn't this work? Oh, because we never set it to fill. How do we do that? Fill. Solid color. There we go. So let's say this is a part of our auto tile. This is our auto tile. And this is our auto tile. Let's say this is a room, and we place, let's say we have that spike. Let me see if there's a marker. Okay, we can do a marker. Let's say red will be our spikes. Hello, Beck. How's it going? So let's say we put spikes everywhere. So this is our auto tile, or our regular auto tile. Then we place our spike auto tile over this. We're gonna iterate through the red tiles here, or sorry, the black tiles. If we can change these colors, guess not. We'll iterate through them. Check where if vector2.down is equal to. We're basically going to grab each of these tiles on the top here. Or we're going to grab all of them, but these are the important ones. We're going to see them, and then we're going to be like, oh, vector2.down is -1. So then we can place the spikes here. Same with this. Oh, wait. We would have to iterate through every single. I wonder if this is like inefficient, because we have to go through this one too. This one specifically has 2 spikes. It has one here and one here. How old am I, Practical? Old enough. How old do I look? All right. Trying to think, because also we don't need it up here. This section isn't necessary. Yeah, unfortunately, I think we have to check for every single direction. It's really only corner pieces that are going to be kind of annoying. Give you 20, 21. That's pretty... I'd say that's kind of close. I think at a certain age, a certain threshold, a certain range of ages, it's basically the same. Am I right? No, you're not right. I am neither one of those ages. Alright, let's figure this out. We'll iterate through all of them. We're gonna have to say, unfortunately, I think we have to check for every single direction. Besides the borders, we don't have to worry about the borders. $24? Maybe. I'm a horrible liar, or I have a horrible poker face. I'm trying to think. How do we do this? I'm gonna check for all edge cases, or sorry, for all cases, and then we'll fix up the edge cases later. So we want spikes. Actually, wait, it doesn't matter because we're gonna be matching it in the sections that have the spikes anyway. So, I'm trying to think. We would want to say for cell in... We'd want to get the matching cells first. Okay, let's do this. For cell in get used. Hey, how's it going? How's it going, Grumble? We finished the mechanic. Here, I can show you. Give me 1 second. I mean, it looks the same. There's nothing different. We did mess with a little bit with the movement and like the speed and stuff like that. I tried getting this like weird auto movement going on to prevent this from happening, but I decided, we're just gonna keep it. We're gonna keep it in the game. The auto movement, it worked perfectly fine, but there were a few edge cases that make it weird. And if I fixed those edge cases, then it would make the original look weird. So I decided, hey, let's just give the player full control. There are a few things I could do to prevent the player from you know, like doing that, and that's basically, you know, maybe making something chase the player. But yeah, for the most part, I think for this current version, we'll keep it the way it is. I don't think anyone's gonna really notice, or I don't think people are going to like purposefully do this. Like, there's no point. It just bugged me that it existed. Hello, my non-god playing friend. Listen, I've been busy. I wanted to play, but it's usually I'm either tired or I'm working on my game, or, you know, I don't even play, like, actually that's not, I do play video games, but not like, in, like, the video games that I've been playing are like, what's it called? I've been playing Frostpunk, if you've heard of that game. It's like Sim City, like building games, and like Crusader Kings, you know, like simple single player games. Oh yeah, Frostpunk was free on like the Epic Game Store or something like that. It's pretty, I got pretty addicted. I think I didn't beat the game. Well, you can't really beat the game. It's like, it's almost like, what's it called? Like, it's almost like death is inevitable. you know, that sort of deal. I think if you play, like, I did play on the easier mode, and that felt like it was infinite, but, like, on the harder difficulties, it almost seems like, unless you're, like, optimizing all your time and stuff, you're gonna die. Strategic single-player simulator. Yeah, exactly, that's what it is. You have to, like, manage your resources, and, like, there's also, like, storms that come in at the same time, so, like, it's like, oh, do you risk, you know, getting more resources, or do you prepare for the storm that's about to hit and, like, kill your entire population? It's fun. And part 2 is coming out pretty soon. I don't think I probably won't get it until it's on sale or something, but the first one was really good. And the trailer for the second one looks crazy. It reminds. Have you ever seen Snowpiercer? How's it going, Yesva? It's literally like Snowpiercer, but if it was a video game and it was like, here, wait, I'll just pop it up. I don't know what that says. What is it? Arabic to English. Heal Asai. Divide, heal Asai. And if it wasn't on a train... Yeah. Frostpunk 2. Exactly. Snowpiercer, but it's not on a train. Oh. Yeah, I'll play the whole thing. It's a pretty interesting trailer. Although it doesn't... I don't think it represents the game at all. But it's a cool concept. Like, I guess the roleplay aspect of it is... Let me close my big head.
We fed our children. Some say we broke our promises. Some say we betrayed our brothers. Some say we abandoned God. But it is us, not them, who brought us this far. And those who make sacrifices today will reap the rewards of tomorrow.
Frostpunk 2. So yeah, you don't really see the gameplay, and the images don't really show what it's about, but like the environment, I guess you see like where it takes place and like the world building and stuff, and I think that's really cool. And in the game, like, you see how they have like this guy Liar. I don't know what mechanic this is at the moment, but like in the first one, you can like add like rules or like laws to your game, depending on like what like what's a good example? Like, you can create prisons, and basically people who, you know, disrupt the community, you can just throw them in prison and be like, hey, you're gonna be here until you're better. Or like there are laws where, like, let's say you're running low on food, you can add sawdust to your food as like a way to like increase the food production, but like people get sick. So there's like it's like a double-edged sword where, like, let's say you're lacking in one department, you can make up for it in another department. Or like children, like, you can make children work, or you can make it so that they're like medical assistants, which improve it improves healing people, but you can't use them for work, and you get a lot of children. So it really depends on what you want to prioritize. And there's also like, it's not really role playing, but it's like you can pick what type of ruler you want to be. Couldn't you decide if you just wanted to hang someone if they were causing trouble in the last one? Yeah, yeah, there are things that you could, like, it depends, like, I don't remember if there was hanging. I do know there's, like, banishing, and it's either, like, if you don't have a prison, then you can banish the person, but, you know, like, sometimes those sort of things, like, they increase your like your disruption or like distrust or something, which like if it goes all the way to the max, they rise up like in a rebellion and kill you, and then the game is over. But yeah, very fun game. I've been playing that a lot. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos on like how to optimize your placement of like, like what to prioritize first, where to place your houses, your tents, stuff like that. Didn't realize there was gonna be. Yeah, it just. I mean, I think they just posted it. Maybe. I think that's why they released it for free on the Epic Game Store, because they knew they were releasing the second one. So they were like, hey, let's just give out this one for free. It's, free marketing. What were we doing? Oh yeah, let's get back. Let's not get distracted anymore. Alright, so for sell and use cells, we want to get the ones that are colliding with the player. So we're actually going to, I don't know if we should record this or we should, I don't know how inefficient this is as well. So we're going to want to also say for current auto tile. Now let's do auto, here, let's do, yeah, for current auto tile cell in current auto tile that get used cells. I wonder, I might actually already have the used cells in our game. So let me just look. So then if that's the case, then we don't have to, iterate through it twice. Current, let me see. Seems like we do have a used cells. Used cells. Okay, yeah. I mean, actually, we still have to iterate through them. It's not like this is gonna save us any computation used cells, but whatever. Might as well use the variable since we have it. Current cell in current auto tile. Current auto tile cell in current auto tile dot used cells. If cell is equal to current auto tile cell, oops. And then what we're going to want to do, so basically if they're both colliding on top of each other, these are both vector 2s. If they're both colliding on top of each other, then we're going to grab every direction of the current auto tile, so vector 2.down, left, right, up. And if they are -1, then we'll know exactly where, like what to place. So we'll say, should we do, yeah, we'll do if current auto tile. Wait, I'm trying to think. I think we might have done something wrong here. I think we could do for cell if, instead of iterating through all of this, we could just say if cell. Here, wait, whoops. Let me do this. We'll have to add this eventually, but let's do current auto tile cell. Let me get rid of this. If current auto tile cells dot has our cell, that's what we should have done. Then we'll say current auto tile of our cell. Well, we'll have to do one for each like direction. So Um, dot get. I believe that's what it is, right? Alright, current autotile cells of get cell v. I feel like we should do this in our autotile, but I want to just test it now. So let's just do it here. If current autotile cells dot get cell v of our cell, plus like vector 2 dot down, vector 2 dot up or something. We'll have to do one for each side, I believe. So let's just do vector 2 dot right. Then we want to set our cell to the vector 2 dot right, which is this 90 degrees, so it's going to be 1. Let's do it in order, like up, down, or sorry, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left. Okay. And then we're going to want to do all of this stuff, so I guess we'll make a better function instead of this being in our... Yeah, I don't think we're gonna use this ready function anymore. But what is really nice about this, I'm actually thinking now, because if we look at the autotile now, like let's say we have spikes here. This spike is the... Oh wait, I just thought of something even better. Because right now we're iterating through these tiles and then checking if there's nothing below, but maybe we should iterate through the tiles that we do have. Like if we have one right here, then we would check if there's anything above, and I think we would prioritize the ones above. I think, yeah, it's hard to tell. But if there's something like this, maybe we would want it to, like, we would want to make an L bracket too. There's so many edge cases, and I haven't thought of all of them. Alright, so let's do this. I think we'll do this instead. If our current autotile cells dot has cell plus vector 2 dot up, then we'll say pass for now. And I just want to see if this works. We'll try this out. Here, let's print this out. Let's say print autotile above us. Let's do... We'll do all the edge cases. Vector 2 dot right. Autotile right us. Down. Alright, below us. And vector 2 dot left. Left of us. Okay. Let's try this out before anything. I think should I comment this out for now? Here. I'm gonna cut this real quick. Okay. Okay. Let's see if this works. So we're gonna have the node path here. So I'm gonna make a new room really quick. Let's go into room 13. Let's duplicate this. And we're just gonna delete everything. Delete our auto tile. You know, we don't have to delete everything. I need to try out this later on anyway. I'm going to remove our tunnel tile map though, and we'll do it all right here in this little section. So let's say we have a bunch of spikes. I'm gonna just test it out with one, see how it looks. And we're gonna be running this on the we actually have to run this on the room function, so this might bug out on us on like all other rooms until actually if we die it'll run appropriately, I think. Let me throw this in room 114. Come on. Like that. Okay. I think we forgot to rename this to 114. Okay. Okay. So I restart. Let's see what. Oh, it's not gonna print anything because we didn't actually make it print. Here, let me go back into our auto tile room, and yeah, we need a reference to it first. So let's grab our auto tile, click on that, and yeah, that's it. And then we want to go into our room script for now, and we'll do it. I guess we'll do it here. I'm just gonna say spike tile map dot what did we call it? Run blah, 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 blah. Get available tiles. All right. Let us see what happens. It crashes. Get available tiles based on null instance on a null instance. Spike tile map. So this is running on all of our rooms. Let me see if. How do we check if a spike tile map exists? Check if node check if node exists. Go check if node exists. Get node. Get node. Isn't it like get node or null? Yeah. What do people say? Oh yeah, get node or null. Okay. Eventually we're gonna put this into our target game, but for now, since we're only testing it on one node. Can we just throw this in here? Get node path. How do we get the node path? You know, I thought these were node paths. I guess not. Oh, we could just say, right? You can just do this. Okay, current autotile cells dot non-existent has on no. It has, right? Fill empty find variant. It's not has, it's find, I guess. R find. -1. Okay. How's it going, Simplicity? We are currently testing out a new way to place our spikes. So I think what we'll do is we'll just say if does not equal -1. That's what we have to do. Okay. Oh, actually, wait. Yeah, it does not equal -1, right? Let's see if this works. Am I coding a level editor? No. I mean, it's, I guess, an in-house level editor, almost. Non-existent, what the hell? Current auto tile cells. Oh, because we never actually set this. Current auto tile. I wonder if this, well, we'll find out pretty soon. Current auto tile is equal to our current auto tile that, and then current tile, what is this? Current auto tile cells. Current auto tile cells is literally just our current auto tile dot current cells or something like that. We don't actually need this node here, but I will put it in for the time being. Let me see, what was it called? Used cells. Okay. Is equal to our current auto tile dot used cells. Good luck, I guess. See ya. I got to go practical. I have to wake up early in the morning. Kiss and love. Have a calm stream. Thank you. I'll see you. Have you thought about creating a timer for how long you can stay in the twilight state without hitting a recharge or otherwise you die? I have thought about it. And it's not off the table. It's just that, like, I need to make sure that the mechanic, like the core mechanic itself of, like, you know, traveling through it, is viable enough on its own. And then if I want to add more to it, I can. Like, I could always do it later. But I'd rather not add more mechanics and not finish, like, level design. I want to finish, like, I'm trying to release another version by Friday, so I want to just make a bunch of levels like that, see how people like it, and then if they do like it, then I'll add more. Like the recharge thing, I do like. I like the idea. I just don't know how to balance it yet. All right. Hopefully this works. It still might crash. On the .has might. Get node current cell. Cannot convert. Wait, what? Current auto tile node path is equal to null. Invalid type get node in base tile map. What? Let me see something. Get node center node. Get node. Connected teleporter node. Yeah, this is what. Yeah, export node. Capitalize node path. That's what I did, right? You know, wait, it might be crashing because of our older, or sorry, our other rooms that don't have, let me see here. I'm glad you're figuring all this out for me to, so I can steal your implementation when I get back to my dig mechanic. Yeah, no problem. So I mean, the thing, like, I think the biggest thing that I've figured out with this mechanic is just, like, I think keep it as simple as possible. What I've been doing lately is I've just been trying to add, like, more and more complexity to it to make the, you know, the quote-unquote experience better, but so far it's been, you know, I tried out a mechanic, it works out, and then I find this random edge case that makes it not work out, and then I decide, hey, let's just get rid of it. It's ridiculous. But yeah, it's all part of the process. But this isn't really the portal at the moment. This is more, I mean, yeah, this isn't the dig mechanic. This is me just automating placing spikes everywhere. So I could just do this, and it'll place spikes everywhere here instead of me having to, you know, draw like that. Okay. Let's see. Get node. Fancy. Yeah, I don't know how much time it'll actually save, but I've been annoyed, like, because I want to make better rooms, or like I want to make more cave-like rooms where like there's like, you know, stuff like this, and I want to put spikes everywhere. But I don't want to spend time, you know, clicking on every little thing. So yeah. But I also don't need spikes everywhere, so I can't just code it to check for, like, you know, I don't want spikes on the spawn, obviously, or like spikes here. Just in, you know, these sections, this section, this section. And that'll be good enough. Are they individual scenes? Right now they are, but they can easily not be. Am I going to add a room design editor? I did work on one a while back, but yeah, I've removed it since then. So I could draw them for the... Yeah, originally they were scenes, and I do like the idea of drawing them, but it's like drawing them... Even this is annoying to me now. Like, placing individual spikes. I mean, it's easier like for longer ones, like this, like sections like that, but then to go inside and do this, or like go here, then switch it to this. And also, you know, having to switch between these things are also annoying. I guess you could use a bit mask, but you would have to. I don't know. Actually, I'm trying to think. Because like a bit mask, if you used a bit mask, since this is a different tile map from this one, it wouldn't be able to differentiate, like, you know, this tile from you know, anything else. The switching is annoying. Yeah. So yeah, that's why I'm making this whole crazy spike generator thing. So yeah, the room editor, I want to work on it eventually. It's just, I want to also finish the game, so I decided, hey, let me put that one on the back burner. And we'll keep working on this. And it does work out, like, once I do make this work, this will be another thing that I can add to the level design, or the room editor. Room editor, writing them down. Oh man, you're stealing all my great ideas, all my unique great ideas. All right, got distracted. I don't even remember what I was trying to do. We have our spike tile map. We get the bug, or invalid function get node in base tile map. Cannot convert one argument from nil to node path. Why is this? Oh, wait, what? Oh, okay. Here, let's just do this. Oh my god, for the time being, let's do that. It still doesn't work. Okay, yeah, we have to replace all of this. Oh, actually, wait, bool, invalid operands. Actually, if we can use has, I think that's probably better. Let me see. I didn't see an option for me to use has on arrays, but maybe it's fine. Dot has. Okay, cool. Let's see if it prints anything. We have, what did I call it? On birth. Auto tile below. Oh, there we go. So there is an auto tile below us. So that's printing true. I think, honestly, I'm fairly confident it's gonna work for everything now. Let's see. Guess we'll do that. Let's grab. We'll just do all edge cases. That one and this one. I mean, actually, it doesn't really matter which type of texture it is. We'll automatically place the correct one when the game starts. Okay, so we got. Oh, let's restart. Okay. Auto tile above us, below us, left and right. Above, below, left and right. Yeah, perfect. Okay. You know, there is a slight bug here. I'll have to fix it. I think we mess with our friction right here. But let's continue on with our spike tile map. So, we know it's above us. So if it's above us, we want to set the position, or like, we can run the place spike. Actually, we would rewrite this to something else. Let's do it now. Let's say place spikes, or func place spike. So originally what we did was in our ready function, we iterated through our used cells and then placed the spike nodes. But now we can just iterate through these and then place the appropriate ones. It's basically the same thing. Just this one has way more spikes to deal with. All right. So instead of saying for cell and get use cells, I think what we'll do is we'll have an argument here checking for what it is. So vector2.up. So we'll say input direction, and then we'll just match the input direction. And can't pass that. We'll say all right, and we're gonna want to create a temp spike. So let's do that. Var temp spike is equal to our spike node here. Eventually, like I said, we could put it into an auto tile, into the tile, but since this already exists, I don't want to spend more time than I have to. Var temp spike is equal to spikes path dot instance. And I guess add child, we want to do that. And we're going to want to grab each of these directions. So vector2.up. Whoops. And we don't need this. Just vector2 dot down and vector2 dot left. Okay. And set cell v of -1. Yeah, we'll do this as well. Although eventually I think. Oh wait, we don't have the cell. maybe we will actually add this as an argument here. Let's say cell and input direction. Eventually, we'll probably get rid of that. Yeah, I'm gonna put input cell, or just put in cell. All right. Okay. Plus vector 2 dot up. Okay. So oh. Global position is equal to what the hell? Temp spike. We never set the position here. Yeah, we want to grab that too. Our temp type is the global position. Oh, do we need to add it as a child first? Oh, I guess not. The global position just gets set automatically. That's kind of cool. Temp spike dot global position is equal to map to world of our cell. Okay. And yeah, let's grab place spike of our cell and vector 2 dot up. Cool. I hope that's everything. I don't think we need to do anything else. Down and left. Okay. Moment of truth. Does this work? Oh, and if this, like, let's say we don't get any tiles that collide with anything, for cell and used cells, here, honestly, I wonder, do we need a vector 2 dot up? Because if after we place the cell, we're only checking, let me see, there can only be elif. I think we'll do elif. We're going to prioritize vector 2 dot up, and I think then we should prioritize vector 2 dot down. We should always prioritize the top and bottom, and then everything else is whatever. So we'll do vector 2 dot up, elif down, elif right, elif left. And then over here, we're just going to say else. We still need to remove the spike, so we're just going to say set cell v. Whoops. Of our cell. Okay, I think that's it. Moment of truth. Let's run this. Let's put some more spikes in our game. We only put 4, and I said, hey, it's gonna work now. Let's try this. So we need 3 here and then 2 here, and they should flip respectively. We'll see. Set cell v of cell to -1. Oh. Okay. So we get 2. We got these here. Oh, what the hell? So it's kind of working. Vector 2 dot right. I think maybe we flipped these. On vector 2 dot right, it should be vector 2 dot left. And same with this one. And same with all of these, actually. Let me just make sure. Yep.
You want me?
Later.
Later?
Yeah.
Okay.
Vector 2 dot right, down, and up. There we go. And we dive. Vector 2. Yo, cool. Let me just make sure that our hitboxes are set correctly. Visible collision shapes. I wonder how much time this is actually. You know, in the long run. Oh shit. There isn't. It seems like I'm seeing extra. There's like extra stuff here. It seems. Here, what we can do is just to test this out. You know what it might be? Yeah, let's just see. It might be because it's like on top of it. Yeah. Because they're overriding each other. The ones that are in the walls. You know, I don't know for sure. So let me just look at our script again. If our current cell that has vector2 dot up. Yeah. Okay, so what we will also want to do is when we're checking for collision, we also want to check to see if the cell also exists in the game. I'll be right back. Okay. Back on the grind. Yep. Maui Game Studio. How's it going, man? Moonstriker. How's it going? Yeah, Moonstriker. I accidentally pinged you one time. Like I was pinging like the streamers, and for some reason, not the streamers, people who subscribe to the streaming role. And for some reason, when I type str, Moonstriker comes up. Yeah, how's it going, Maui? What you been up to? So, yeah, on top of checking if this exists, we also need to make sure that our current auto tile does not have this. So we have to make sure. Let's just do this. Actually, we'll run this first. If current auto tile dot has cell is equal to false, then we'll check for all of this. Oh. I'm like, what the hell? And actually, we want this on both cases, both in here, and outside of this if statement. Yeah, my bad. It was like 2 days ago or something like that. Okay, if current autotile dot has cell is equal to false, then we check for all of this. All right. But yeah, how's it going, Moonstriker? There we go. It works now. So, for those of you who just joined, what I'm currently working on is just making an auto, like, we just made a spike tile map, like a spike auto tile. Well, it's not an auto tile. Well, now it is. But yeah, now we have a spike auto tile. Or originally we just had a spike tile map, and we had to individually place all the tiles. So like, you know, here, let me go into the room that we were just editing. So, you know, originally I had to go like, oh, let me click on every single spot that I need, for a spike. And then let's say, oh, we're on the right wall now. Let's go here and draw this. So yeah, this is what it looks like now. I think it could get boring, or not boring, but kind of annoying sometimes. So what I decided to do instead is we just draw over everything, or everywhere that we want like a perimeter of spikes to be. We just fill up the area. And I'm gonna replace this texture with something else, like maybe something transparent, so we know like, hey, this is gonna be a dangerous area. But now, yeah, we can put spikes everywhere, and hopefully, if I did this all correctly, we should only see spikes on the perimeter, on the, you know, on the walls, and nowhere else. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Let's get actually. I'll put some tunnel tile maps everywhere too, just to test out this room, see if it looks good. This is basically just a duplicate of our old room. Main scene, run it again. Okay, it's gonna be super laggy, mainly because we have so many individual tile maps here, or collision shapes visible here. Usually it's not like this, and it won't be like this at all upon, you know, what am I trying to say? Yeah, once we remove the visible collision shapes, it won't lag at all. So, let's see. And there we go. So yeah, it's the same exact thing, and I like it. We still have to optimize a few things, and I'm pretty sure we die, right? Yeah, okay. I just thought of this today. I didn't actually plan on doing this. Kind of just came to me. I was like, hey, I'm sick of having to individually draw spikes everywhere. I'm gonna make it easier on myself. So yeah, now we don't have any spikes. Oh wait, actually maybe we never set up spikes here. Let me see what it looks like down here. Oh, and the nice thing about this is that it'll still work. Oh, I'll take that back. It will still work if I do plan on ever drawing. Like in this room, I just drew them. I didn't make it like, you know, the full area. I kind of just, I drew it like how I would normally. But now, we can do it either way. So if I decide, hey, let me just draw spikes here, I can. Or if I want to fill the entire perimeter, I can. Either way will work. Amazing. Oh, thank you, Pamela. So wait, let me figure out why it doesn't work in all of our rooms. Because this is the same tile map. Let me see here. Oh, alright, so what we're gonna have to do in all of our rooms is actually make the reference. I'm trying to think. Maybe we shouldn't have to set the. Where is it? So yeah, in our spike auto tile right now, we have this thing called, you know, the current auto tile node. But what we could do in our script here is just check if we have a spike tile map, and if we have a if we have a spike tile map, we just set the auto tile like reference inside, like basically, yeah. If node or null, we write spike tile map dot, you know, is equal to auto tile 2. I think we already have a reference to our auto tile. Let me see. Auto tile. Oh my god. Let me just check our script here. Yeah, current auto tile. Let's go back in here, say a dot. Current auto tile is equal to our, do we have the auto tile reference? Auto tile. We do have a used cells. I wonder why I did that here, and yeah, very strange, but that's fine. We could just do this. Maybe, honestly, we could even create a reference to this now, or just leave it the way it is. Run it again. And now I think it should work for everything. Here, let's find out. Nope, not yet. So we did, what did we do? Let's look at our tile map again. If node or null, current auto tile is equal to $auto tile 2, spike tile map dot get available tiles. Oh, you know why? Because over here we said if this is equal to null, we should say if current auto tile is equal to null, not equal to null. Okay, moment of truth. It should work now. Okay. What happened? Get node on base tile map. What the hell? Current auto tile is equal to get so yeah, we don't need this anymore. We can get rid of that if we're setting it directly in the room script. All right, come on. It has to work this time. Yes, there we go. And yeah, we touch these spikes, they kill us. Just like we expected. And it doesn't seem, yeah. Oh, wait a second. Oh, okay. There's one other thing we need to fix, and that's our hitboxes are a little messed up. Our player area hitbox, I'll just show you real quick. So yeah, this is our collision shape, but then the player's hitbox itself, like the thing that kills the player, is this little gray. It's kind of hard to see. But yeah, it's this little box here, and then our actual player hitbox is this one right here. So whenever we go into the twilight state, we just need to make sure that this big rectangle is set to a smaller rectangle. I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm not crazy about fixing that that issue. So yeah, we'll leave it like this for now. Cool. So I was originally trying to do level design, and then I was like, hey, let's optimize our time. I wonder how much time I'm actually saving by doing this. Also, Moonstriker, I'm doing pretty good. I don't know. I don't think I responded to you, but yeah, pretty good. I will say, oh, what the hell? Why is there extra space here? I will say that, like, I'm a little bit more, I want to say I'm more stressed. Like, it's weird because, like, I feel more stressed lately just because, like, you know, hey, I want to finish everything. But at the same time, I'm making way more progress than I have in, like, the past month or so. What the hell is going on? Hey, how's it going, Sekros? Sekros was bullying me yesterday about using individual nodes for my spikes. Well, look at it. There's a, you wanted a tile map, here's your tile map. It technically isn't a tile map though. Like, it is a tile map, but we'll be replacing it. Currently I just have it using the spikes because the node, because it's already in the game, but it's easy to replace. Love to watch here, but I'm about to sleep. Good time zone, everyone, and see you later. All right, Missy, I'll see you. I don't think I remember seeing you responding to me about your game, but I hope it all goes well. And have a good night. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, we'll do some level design. Alright, so this room is good. Or actually, I'm blocked whenever I have to work. Yeah, that, and then after that, okay, yeah. Yeah, we can get rid of everything in this room. We're gonna make a new thing. Okay, what do I want to make though? Oh, I was asking, wait, you said you were working on your board game and the online, or the video game. So I was wondering which one you're prioritizing for this month. Alright, what should we do with the spike tile map now? Get rid of all of this stuff. Get rid of this. Alright, what should we make? Honestly, I think I'm gonna make this room larger than the 350 pixels or 320 pixels. I think we'll make a horizontal room. Let me get rid of all of this, actually. Let's give ourselves a clean slate and make something cool. What's his name? Saltoons, I was watching his stream earlier, and he said he tried this thing where he would make like just an entire big block, like a huge room. Oh, and also, I kind of want to use this tile. Let me try this. He would just make a huge room, and then instead of like, you know, usually what people do is like, you know, they make platforms and walls and all that stuff. What he does is one thing that he does is he makes like a huge room, a huge blocked room, and then he carves it out. So I kind of want to try that. Let's see what sort of stuff we get. It's kind of hard to tell when we have all this extra stuff though. So let me remove all the other furniture and... Okay. There we go. And... I do that sometimes too. Yeah, I've never done it, so let's see how it goes. And I feel like it's perfect for this room in particular, or like this mechanic in particular, because it's like, it's mostly like, I plan on making this more like a cave system, or yeah, the environment's gonna be a cave system, so it might be easier. We can even make like a, why does this look like, dude, what the hell is happening with our auto tile? What the hell? What's going on? It looks like it's... Oh, it looks like it's... flipped. What do you press to flip stuff? There we go. For the longest time, I didn't know what the hell was causing those flips to happen. I would just like restart my game, restart my engine. Okay, let's try something wacky. So like, is it possible to increase the brush? Is that a thing? I feel like that is a thing. Or is that only a Godot 4 thing? Use the select tool. Is that the only way? I don't think this would work. Nope. Okay, whatever. Let's just keep going. So I'm not sure what exactly I want to make. I'm just going to... I was thinking of doing a zigzag. It's kind of similar to what we had before, but... I also want to make, like... I still want to make little sections where you can, like, either skip through or, like, avoid... Like, basically, reward good players and not punish bad players. Don't know what to do exactly, though. Let me see. Something like... I wonder if there's a way I can make like one-way platforms or like one-way... Trying to think. Maybe we just add like some sort of mechanic where like if you pass this zone, then the wall here opens up or something. That way we can force the player to go into the circle here, then through here. But I don't think it's possible. Unless we code it, so, like, with the current state of the game, I don't think I have anything like that, especially for while we're in the twilight state. And like I'm drawing, but I feel like there needs to be something extra here, like some sort of obstacle. We come through here, say there's a gap here of nothingness, and then let's say we drop straight down. Drop straight down, go through here. I think we would want to make like a checkpoint here, unless, I mean, this doesn't look too difficult. Maybe, let me see if we can find something better to do here. Okay. Oh, wait, I messed this up. I wanted to block this out and kind of make like an entrance going upwards. Something like that. It looked better in my brain, but I think this is fine. We still haven't tested out the room. Maybe we'll put like a spring right here. Alright, let's grab that spring. Okay, like that, and then come out through here. We'll put a checkpoint right here. Oh, and we could test out our new spike mechanic, or new spike adding feature. I should probably make this like a dark red. Like instead of using this, I'll use like a light tinted red square. That way, like I know it's a dangerous area, but it's not like overwhelmingly, you know, white everywhere. Same with this. Like, I feel like this mechanic, or it's hard to see what exactly is going on here. I think making it purple would probably be better. Oh, I don't think we added this to the room. Or maybe we did. Yeah, we did. Oh, what the hell? I did not mean to do that. Oh, we can't even get through. Why are there spikes everywhere? Who drew this? Why? There we go. We'll fix this section, but I do want to test this out. Well, it is very, like, narrow, though. We'll have to... And I feel like I'm making it... Like, it is possible, but I don't want to make the game too hard for people. I mean, honestly... I will say it is easier on keyboard and mouse, though. Like, on controller, I feel like I'd do terrible. Well, let's try it out. This is with the D-pad. I can already tell I'm so much worse. Oh, actually, what? Did much better than I thought I would. The narrow ones, I think we'll save for, like, you know, the later rooms. I think for now, let's keep it easy for people. Get rid of maybe 2. Something like that. Extra stuff here. Let's get rid of the tunnel map here. Oh, it's gonna be... Oh, crap. What's going on? We have to fix drawing this stuff because it looks like crap here. Spike tile map. Let's get rid of it. Yeah, this is honestly too easy. We'll have to fix that. In the meantime, let's finish this little section here. So, I don't know, maybe we'll put spikes down here. And then I think I'll put one more tunnel, like right here. pretty good, I have to say. Oh, we're stuck here forever. Okay. Let's see. We go through here. Exit through this little section here. And we'll start over here. And then what do we want to do? We'll go. Let's move our checkpoint to like right there. Add some more spikes. Where do we want to go? Up. Or let me think. We can keep going to the right and then start our zigzag going up and then to the right. And hopefully I can figure out some things to do in between. On top of that, I think we also want to expand this just a bit. So that our camera bounds like go all the way to the right. So yeah, something like that. And then we'll go up to the left. We'll figure out like some jumping puzzles along the way. Ooh, we don't have enough space here. We could expand it. Like we could just make more. I might just do that. And we can even go over here, like over here, then here, then and then we exit. Oops. Alright, something like that. Going through here though, that's gonna be tough. Like, what do we do exactly? And maybe putting a secret here wouldn't be too bad either. Like in this little section. Okay, so we come out. There is obviously going to be a tunnel here. Something like that. And then maybe another. Ooh, I kind of have an idea. We kind of use. I mean, this might be weird, but like, we can use these tunnels as like a means of getting across. We could do something like this, maybe. But I don't know how soon this is of a mechanic. Like, how difficult it is to teach. Yep. Go through here, then what? Like, go down and avoid. I think maybe we'd have to make this a little bigger. Let's try that again. Something like start out here, go over here, go here, go here. All right, let's try it out. Maybe it'll be cool. And what we'll do is like we'll put spikes everywhere pretty soon. I just wanna see. We'll put some here. We'll put some here. Some here. And let's bring our player closer. Okay, well, the thing that does bother me though is I don't like the transition sounds, like playing it over and over again. I think it's annoying. It ruins the, I don't know, the experience in my opinion. So either I have to change the sound or get rid of this level design. Also, this is kind of annoying, the fact that you can like hover up here. We'll have to fix whatever's going on over there. Let me figure out what we're gonna do here. This is like a little, still a little wacky. Let's grab this, make this a little bigger. So the gaps, this is 3, this is infinite, 3, 3, 4. I think probably making it smaller is better. 1, 2, let's do 4. This gives us enough space to, like, I don't know, maybe do a wall jump or come here, hit the spring, get across, something like that. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll test out each of these. Oh, what? What the hell? This is not too bad. Kind of like it. It teaches, like... You gotta learn quick, though. Like, going from here to... Or, like, you know, from our previous room to this one, it's a little difficult, I'd have to say. Let me try it with the controller. It does teach the... I think what it does really well, though, is that it lets you get used to the fact that, like, you don't have much time once you get out. Like, you have to worry about gravity once again. And I think what we should do is also make, like I guess what we could do is you know, expand this going upwards. Like, show the differences in the different gaps. Like right here, what this is, like, can't really tell. This is like 5 by 4, and this is also 5 by 4. This is like 4 by 4. Oh, not 4 by 4. This is like 5 by 4 as well. Beep Salt, thank you for the follow, man. Alright, what was this? 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I was way off. We could do something like that. Make this like that. Well, like, old me would worry about, like, what this looks like, but I think we should just keep it the way it is, have people playtest it if it needs updating, because It's not like it's game breaking or anything like that. Well, actually, I do need to add spikes everywhere. And that could be not game breaking, but it could be difficult for the player. Let's see. Ba-dum, boom, 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 boom. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Is this because of our tile map? Our crazy tile map? It has to be. I mean, our room is also really large compared to what... yeah. I think it is the tile map. Or actually, not really the tile map. It's the nodes. We just have too many spikes everywhere. So I think what we'll do now is, because we're getting to a point where our rooms are 20 million. Are 20 million tiles wide or something. We'll have to... Let's see. I think it's the tiles. Let's see. If I restart it now, let's see what happens. Yeah, it's the tiles. Okay. Not a problem. So what we'll do in our auto tile is we'll basically make the auto tile, but it won't be. It'll be a scripted auto tile, basically. So let's do that now, I guess. I wanted to do the level design, but I guess this is more important. Not crashing is probably important for our game. So let's go back into our script here. What we'll do is we already have a reference to each of these nodes. What we can do here is I'm also going to make a quick tile specifically just to show red, just so that we know, hey, this is the red auto tile, something like this. Let me go into GIMP and we're just going to make a transparent red color. 8 by 8. And we need it to be transparent. I'll just erase some of it. Hard edge, remove. Here, let's make symmetry. I don't know why this started that. Looks I just want to make it a little. Well, let me see if there is something better. It just needs to be transparent. Why is this not working? What the hell? Oh. There we go. I think that's good. Actually, we'll make it like this. We'll call this, just red. Transparent block. And we'll add it to our auto tile. Okay, there we go. And now I think Maybe we should have set this to our 0 tile map. Like, the index of this is now the 5th one, which slightly annoying, but yeah, we'll update the script later. Okay, so what we'll do in the script here, instead of adding the node, where is it? In place spike, what we're going to do, instead of creating a new instance of the spike, we're just going to say, we're going to grab the cell, and then the input direction, and then we'll set it to whatever the input direction, well, actually, yeah, we'll make it equal to the input direction. So, vector2.up, we'll say, cell dot, cell, wait. We grab the cell. If it doesn't have the cell, we're grabbing the cell itself. Okay, so yeah. Oh my god. Set cell v of basically 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 of our cell and 0. I think that's literally all we have to do. We're also gonna have to add a collision shape to it, which we haven't done yet, but this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Oh, this is 3. What I mean, why is it 0, 1, 2, 3? So this index here, you can see 0, 1, 2, and 3. And then originally what we did was we added nodes here. We can comment this out. Don't need it anymore. I don't think the positioning, actually it might, I don't know if it's gonna matter, we'll see. And we don't want to set cell, currently what we do is set cell to -1, we're not gonna do that anymore. Yeah, we're not gonna do add child, and we're not gonna do this, and we're not gonna create temp variables. It's just going to update everything and remove the ones that don't exist. I hope that's all we have to do. Let's see. Okay, at the moment it doesn't show anything because we removed all the spikes. Let's go back into our room, just throw spikes everywhere. Oh, and look at that. That's pretty cool. So yeah, now we see like red everywhere. So we know where spikes are going to be. I mean, it's not that cool. There we go. So we still see the spikes the same way. I don't think anything else needs to be done. We do need to update like the z-axis of this. We also need to make sure that they're visible. Oh yeah, it looks good. Spikes everywhere. Here, so in the ready function, I think we could do this on our ready function. I'll be right back though. I have to use the bathroom. Out guy gone to poop again? No. Nope. Just came back for the from the number one. Oh, thank you for the follow. How's it going? It's going. It's going. We finished. You left before we. Okay, so we got it to work, like the spike tile map, but then if we have too many, like, on the instance of our rooms, it starts to get pretty laggy. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna replace, and we already did it, where we placed a tile map instead of the actual node now. But we do need to add collisions to it, and on our ready function, what we need to do is make sure that it. We need to put an area 2D as we need to make it an area 2D child. So what we'll do is we'll create a variable with a path to, like, you know, an area 2D that we actually need to create right now. So let's do that. We'll call this spike area to spike tile map area 2D. There you go. Spike tile map area 2D. Got the core mechanics of my not a game in Godot working, so I'm here for some coding company. Nice. You have any images, screenshots, devlogs, whatever, you name it? I'm down to check it out. But if you just got the core mechanics, maybe not. Probably not. I mean. Yeah, I believe Half Moon tends to lurk and work. Work. Alright, let's call this area 2D. Call this null for now. Or, yeah, area 2D path. We're gonna need. I don't actually know if I'm gonna keep this here. Like it. We'll see. Collision. We'll see. Pick. Monitoring, monitorable. Okay, let's just try it out. I need to save this in our scenes, decorations, effects, important interactable objects. Where are our? Yep, there it is. Although it's not a tile map, it's an area 2D. New mechanic, objects, managers, items. I'll put it in tile maps, even though it's not really a tile map. Okay, so let's grab a reference to this spike tile map area 2D. Copy path. This is gonna be this preload. Of this. Calls real world data center APIs to populate objects, etc. Look and work, best kind of work. It looks very bare at the moment, but I'll post some soon. Hopefully it's eventually a data center visualization game. Cool. I'm down to check it out. That sounds like a cool idea. Backend written with Python. So Python and GDScript, or C# or okay, so I don't know if this is gonna work. If we could just add it as a, let me see, change parent. Like we would have to. Can we do this? Change set parent. Like first we would have to remove child of ourself, and then there's a script still run. Here, let me see. Look this up. Godot change parent. Can like a child control its own parent? or set its own parent. Remove child, add child self. This is a weird approach. We would have to say, like, you know, we would have to grab our parent and then remove ourselves from our parent, then add the area 2D to our original parent, then add ourselves to that area 2D. It's a little funky, like, the approach, but it will work. Sorry if I'm distracted. No, you're not distracting me. I streamed earlier today. Like, honestly, this is just bonus. Like, this current stream today is bonus. I wasn't expecting to get, I guess I didn't do much in my last stream either, but in combination with the two, like today's, this stream and the previous one, I'd say we got enough work done today where I can call it quits and be perfectly happy. That's what someone who's lazy would say. We actually have to grind out the rest of today. Let's see if I've never tried this before, so let's see. Func. Let's call this add to area. Add to area 2. And if this works, I'll probably do the same exact thing to this as I did for the. I'll probably do this to the digging tile map, because right now we're using an area 2D parent, and then actually we're using an area 2D. We're using a node 2D, which has a child of an area 2D, and then that child is the tile map, which it's kind of like, yeah, it's also funky. But I think if we could do this, then we could do we can just change this to an area 2D with I'm sorry, we could change this to a node 2D with an area as a child. But for now, let's just make sure this works. You know what we could also do is, in this node, we can add this spike tile map and then have the spike tile map deal with everything. That's one way to go about it, because then once the ready function is ran, yeah, it could just do it all on its own. But so can the spike tile map. All right, let's just get this done. Let's say, and I also wonder, do scripts still run? This is why we might have to add it to the spike tile map. If scripts don't run while they're removed from a child. Let me see, or removed from a parent. Do scripts run if parent? If child is removed. I have a feeling it doesn't run anything. So what we might do is just add it as a child. But yeah, you aren't distracting me. Fennec Fox. I'm trying to see. We could test it, I guess. Here, let's just do this. We'll say, we'll run this in our ready function, and then we'll just run. We'll keep on running add parent area, and we'll say like print a. We removed ourselves. Physics. Physics. Come on. Add to area parent. We run that. Hey, we removed ourselves, and we'll just say, get parent dot. If let's just say if get node or null of get parent, it's not equal null. We'll just say get parent dot remove child of ourself. And then we'll see if this runs on our physics process. What is this? Get node or null does not equal null. Pass arguments type node doesn't match the function's expected argument type node path. Can we say dot get path? Okay, parent dot get path. Okay. So nothing is printing in the physics process at the moment. So yeah. Okay. So it does not work. Let me just make sure of that. Let me go back into where is? Wait, what? What the hell? Oh, this is Twilight. Let's get rid of this. Commented that. I mean, yeah, this will work. Now we're constantly printing this in our physics process. Okay, yeah. All right. So what we'll do is in our ready function, we'll actually add okay. What we'll do is we'll grab our parent, whatever that is, and we'll add an instance. So add to area parent. We're gonna call this add area parent instead. Add area to parent. Add area to parent, and instead of saying, well, we could still say this, but we don't want to run this in our physics process, and we're gonna grab a path to our area 2D, which we already did, and we're gonna say get parent dot add child. And let's grab a reference to this first. So we're gonna say var area 2D or area node 2D, area 2D node, area 2D node is equal to area path. Brian Devlin, thank you for the follow, man. How's it going? Oh, there's a subscription. I wonder. What's that? I think that was YouTube. Thank you. All right. Var area 2D node is equal to area 2D path dot instance, and whoop. Okay. And then we want to add this child. Area 2D node, and then I guess we'll make a script for our area 2D here. And you know what? I'm gonna make the 2D node now. Or I'm sorry, yeah, the node 2D. Let's add a child. Change this to the root. Make scene root. Like that. And then we'll add a script here. Let's call this spikes. This is our spikes node. In here is the spikes tile map. We're gonna add a script here. Tile maps. Okay. So we want a reference to the tile map, so we'll say var spikes tile map is equal to null, and we also want the area 2D var area 2D area 2D. I'm gonna say this is called the area 2D node. It's equal to null. Although, actually, wait, not null. We'll just say it's equal to that. And in our ready function, what we're gonna do, I wonder, do we need to do anything? Yeah, we do. So we grab our spikes tile map, and we're gonna say, once this is ready, we're gonna say spikes tile map What's going on here? Use onReadyVar. Okay. onReadyVar area 2D node specs tile map. Okay, so we'll say get parent dot remove, or sorry, yeah, remove child spikes tile map, and then area, or yeah, just add child. To our area 2D. So area 2D dot add child spikes tile map. And there we go. That is pretty simple. And I think that's all we need to do. Get parent dot remove child spikes tile map, area 2D node dot add child spikes tile map. And then in our actual spikes, we need to make sure that in our ready function, add to area parent, area 2D node is equal to area 2D dot instance, get parent dot add child area 2D node. I think that's it. Moment of truth, I guess. Let's see. Okay. Wait, what was that? Okay, I think it does work, but we're still not done. We're still not colliding. Oh yeah, we never added any collision shapes. So let's go back into our spikes tile map. Let's go into here. And we want to just edit each of these ones, and we're gonna make... Actually don't know. Because... Oh, no. Let's see this again. No, goddammit. Let's fix our snap options to be 4 pixels. So we can make it 4 pixels like this, or we could do 2 pixels and make it more like a triangle. So yeah, we could do that. I've never done this before, but we can try. Okay. Oh, wait, what the hell? None of them save. Oh my, no, stop. Oh. Okay, they did save. Alright, cool. Okay, so there are collisions here, it seems, but we're just like walking on them right now. The area 2D does, well, actually right now it's not an area 2D, it's a collision shape. Even though it's a child of an area 2D, so it makes me wonder what the hell's going on. But I think what we have to do here, there's like some collision setting that we have to set. I forgot what it was. Use parent, there we go. I hope that's it. Oh, we also need to make sure that the type of this object is now set to an enemy. Let's just see, let's just make sure, yeah, okay. Let's go back into this script here, and we're just gonna say const type is equal to enemy. Okay, and about time we replaced that Godot logo with your own test. Hello, how can I help you today? Liad the human. You sure you're a human? Oh, what the hell is going on? So the area 2D is still... Here, let's... possible collision shapes. Chat GPT. ChatGPT is a fellow NPC. So yeah, it shows the area 2Ds. They are here. Why aren't we dying? Let's see. Spike tile map. The const type is enemy. Get parent, get child. Here, I mean, we can look up. Oh, did we set monitoring, monitorable? Yeah, it's set to true. Collisions on layer 1. Shouldn't be a problem. Here, let's look at collisions with enemy. Handle area entered. Print. We are colliding with an enemy on area entered. If body that get parent, area that get parent. Yeah. Should work. Also, how's it going, Ornung? Ornung? What the hell? Particle loop. Who the hell are you? Why is this not working? It's not even detecting the collision, it seems. Alright, let's figure out what's going on here. Like, the nodes are there. Let me look at our spike tile map. Oh, you know what it is? We never actually ran this. Add area to parent. Thank you, I'm glad you like them. We worked hard on getting them to look good before we started working on the new graphics. Glad you liked them. Who you talking to, buddy? It's not to me. What the hell? It still doesn't work. Half moon. Love the Plants vs. Zombie background music. Is that what it is? Or was? Oh yeah, it was. Yeah, now every song known to men is playing. But this is my all-time favorite. This is like the song I listen to. One of these. Love this song here. By Fury. Or In Fury. Hi there, how can I help you today? What the hell? Let's see. Let's see if this ready function is running. They'll solve some of our problems. Oh, I think I know what happens. We never actually set... I think I got it. Okay, the ready function is running, I believe, or it should be. Birth. Actually seems like it's not running. Where is it? Here, let's It's hard to see when I have like millions of print statements that I've never decided to you know, delete. Highly advanced artificial intelligence, so maybe that's why I can do this. You know, it would be pretty cool if someone had made a bot and they're on my stream. I wouldn't be surprised, actually. Yeah, that was pretty fast response. It might be a robot. One of them bots. Liad the human. Liad the human. Oops. Oh yeah, it's totally a bot. Totally. Remade. What do we see? Whatever. But does it understand me? Can you hear what I say on stream? Seems like it can't. Can you hear what I say on stream? Favorite food is pizza. That's pretty cool. Okay. I don't know why our code still doesn't work. Here, let me first restart the scene. Okay. What's weird is, yeah, the ready function isn't running at all on our new spike tile map area. The ready function. All right, let's see. In our ready function, we're writing add add area to parent. Hey, we removed ourselves. So yeah. Hey, we removed ourselves is running, but then we create the instance here. Get parent. So yeah, the ready area to. Yeah, I don't know why. Get available tiles. I think what we should do instead is actually run this maybe, you know, where we're running get available tiles, we should probably run this there, instead of in this ready function, because on our ready function, we actually don't know what our parent is yet. That's why it's not working. I'm a human, I'm not a bot. Damn. I thought I had a friend. Alright, so, yeah, right over here, we could just say spike tile map. Spike tile map dot, what was it? Get parent, run parent, blah, 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 add area to parent. Come here. Room dot add area to parent. So what add area to parent does is it. All right, yeah, I think it'll work now. Moment of truth. Boom, 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 boom. No! Wait. How much better? Who made you? Oh, that's a good question. Just like you, only better. That's kind of freaky. Like, imagine that happening, like, in the near future, where, like, you're actually talking to a bot. I've never seen a bot like this on. Yeah, me neither. I mean, it makes sense. Like, it's only been a matter of time before someone just made it. I feel like it's probably been on other streams, but yeah, this is the first time I'm seeing it as well. Yeah, it doesn't sound too complicated. Just wonder how much you gotta pay for those tokens. Oh no, you're the first streamer that got it just testing. Oh, it's you, Arnok? Ornung. It's weird to pronounce that. Memory is my favorite game. I'm liking this bot already. Alright, I need to stop getting distracted. Let's figure out what's going on here. Can you tell me a story about Practical NPC? Oh my god. There was an NPC named Practical NPC in a small village. His wisdom and problems. Yeah, that is me. Look at that. Water purification system. Wow, what a great story. The problem-solving NPC. Well, it's not trolling. It's been very very nice. Nice bot. It is a distracting bot, though, I will say. It's not trolling yet. Wait. Oh no. Can I give it warnings? Can it be like, hey, if you troll, I will ban you? Okay. Why are our collisions still not working? Let me see. Dot add area to parent. Well, I mean, we could rewrite this just a bit, but I wonder why. Let's see. If get node, you know, if we're running this, it already has a parent. Maybe I'll just get rid of this. Var area node 2d dot instance. Get parent. Dun, 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 dun. Gotta go. See ya. Take your bot with you, please. Alright. Bye. Thanks for showing us your bot. That was pretty cool. Leah, you come with me. I like the new bot. We'll come back when trolling and memory are coded. Alright, sounds good. We'll be good friends by then. Or when he comes back. Alright. Let me... I want to figure this out. I guess we could run it all in the room code. Like, we have so much in our room code that we need to refactor. I'm like, oh, I want to add more crap to this right now. Oh, and wait. I mean... yeah, we could run this here. Current auto tile is equal to add. Let's see if this is working. Okay, press R, adding area to parent. You know, it lags a lot. This ready this ready function is running. Okay, that's good. That's good news. Then that means we should be dying here, but we're not. Wait, let me make sure. This ready function is running. Get parent remove child spikes tile map and area add child area 2D node. Okay, so once this runs, let's print our area 2D node dot get child 0 dot get name. How long before we see a GPT streamer? Well, the thing is, you have to have like a bunch of like, you could do that now technically. What's going on here? Get aim and base null instance. So this is let's just say area 2D node dot get children count, get child count is greater than 0. Yeah, you would have to have like a bunch of proxies if you want to do that, because you know everything coming from the same server is obviously going to be noticeable, and that's already like, I guess, a feat. Why is this not working? Wait, I see it, the print statement running, and this ready function is running, and then nothing. Here, oh, why didn't I do this earlier? Let's just look at, what room is this? Room 114, spike tile map. Yeah, wait, what? Yeah, we should have, we have our spike tile map here. We don't have the new room. I believe this is room, let me see. Yeah, spike's tile map still isn't running. How the hell is it not in our game? Bum, 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 bum. Let me see, spikes, objects. Wait, maybe it is here. No. Use the Tor library and select random IPs. I've totally not done that thing before. The thing is, I think with like, so like, eventually these IPs get blacklisted. Like it doesn't take long for them to get removed, and then like usually either you have to do like, you know, a bot test or something, or sometimes they'll just block your IP immediately. I know Google is really good at it, so that would mean YouTube is pretty good at it. I don't know if I don't know how good at it Twitch is, but yeah. Like you have to use like a dedicated IP, like, you know, either your IP or like, you know, pay. You can pay for like high quality proxies, but a lot of them do get overused. From my experience, at least. Okay. Add area to parent. Come on, man. Work for me. If get node or null. Oh. I mean, does not equal null. I mean, I don't think this should make a difference. Because yeah, the ready function is getting ran, so. I don't know what's causing the bug. Let's see. R. I feel like I'm just lazy. This ready function is running. That's so weird. This is running, and then area 2D node.add spikes child map. Spikes tile map. So I think what we'll do is we shall run all of this in, yeah, I think it's just that we're running this, and then we're running this, like we have a child communicating to another object that becomes a child, and then that object communicates with this. Like, it's hella weird. So let's do this in our rooms instead. So if we have the spikes tile map, what we'll do is we'll say spikes current auto tile is equal to auto tile 2, get available tiles, sure. And then after all of this is done, instead of saying, we'll say, we'll say, go home. Var spike tile map area 2D path is equal to preload this right here. circulate identities until you come across one that isn't blocked, which doesn't take too long. I see. Yeah, I don't know too much. I've done a decent amount of like using proxies for stuff, but probably not nearly as much as you. But from my experience with like proxies and Google, oh my god, they were on top of it. Alright, instead of saying get available tiles, wait, no, yeah, get available tiles is true. We're gonna want to say remove child for now, or let's just add the spike tile map for now. So we'll say var temp spike tile map area is is equal to our spike crap here dot instance. Whoa. And then we're going to say we want to grab a reference to this, so we're gonna say var temp say spike tile map. Yeah, spike tile map underscore temp is equal to $. This, and then remove wait, add child of this new thingamabob. And then we're going to say remove child of this, and then temp spike map area dot add child of this. Oops. All right, this should be it, I hope. And let's just get rid of, I guess we could get rid of this ready function. We do, I think, no, we don't need a reference anymore. Everything is done in the room. Let me see, spikes.current auto tile is equal to this. This is not as important, or at least right now. Spikes.get available tiles. Var spike tile map is equal to spike tile map. Instance, add this new instance, remove child of this, and then add child of that. Okay, yeah. Moment of truth, part 26. Come on, work for me. No, it doesn't work. Okay. Damn. So we could do it the same way we did it originally with the area 2Ds. It's so laggy too, but let me restart. Mr. Johannes Life. What's the game about? So the game is a platform. I could show you some of the gameplay. I think it only lags when we have the visible collision shapes. So it's like about death. Well, more than just death, but like, you know, the character has died, they're a lost soul now, and now we're in this limbo area. The mechanics themselves are very similar to Celeste, if you've heard of that game. And currently, I was trying to optimize, well, not optimize, make placing spikes on the ground a lot easier. And you can see that they're here, but we're not getting them to register correctly. I think we'll figure it out relatively soon. I could show some of the gameplay. Actually, I haven't shown much of the gameplay at all today, so we could do that today, or right now. What is this purple tile? Interesting. Here, let's just bring our player over to this room. So yeah, the game is about being a lost soul in this limbo world, and we should die here still. Yeah, okay. Just want to make sure these spikes still work. Very similar to Celeste. You have a dash, springs, wall climbs, wall jumps, and yeah, the mechanics get more complicated as you go on. Like, you know, just more stuff like spinning orbs, portals, zip lines, that mechanic that you just saw with us turning into a ball and traversing through the galaxy, stuff like that. That's what the game is about, or that's the mechanics. The story isn't fully fleshed out yet, but yeah. That is it. But now I'm still trying to figure out why our tile map is not working properly. And I think we're very close to getting it work. Maybe. I hope we're close. Alright, let's see. Let's go back into that room and see what's going on. Maybe the soul wants to go back to the body. And to do that, it needs to heal all the extreme trauma. Yeah, that actually is kind of similar to one of the ideas that I had. Although, like, I plan on adding multiple endings, or like, yeah, that's currently what the plan is, to have multiple endings where, like, you know, you don't even know you're a lost soul yet. You know, you help other people, and at the end, you can choose. I kind of want it to be, even though there are multiple endings, I want it to be sort of melancholic. Where, you know, you can't always get what you want. Love decision games. Well, I hope this game can reach your expectations. I do have a lot planned. Some might say it's even, I'm overestimating the amount of work that comes into it. Maybe I am, but yeah, I do have a lot planned. I'd love to make different stories. I still need to figure out why this area 2D is not working. We can actually make it collide with bodies, but that might not work out. Also, thank you for the follow. Let's we need to debug some of this. I was not expecting to do so much today, or to be in such a predicament today. All right, let's see. Get node or no, null. Let's print this out. Print room name. We're gonna take this step by step. We'll first grab the room. Get name. What the hell is going on? Okay, print room name. Okay, we got our name. Let's run it again, and we'll edit the script as we go. I am a Christian, and I'm looking for game devs that makes cool, interesting games without making them evil. I see. So yeah, there's no... What do you consider evil? Because, like, there's nothing dark about this game, but I do plan on adding things that are, like, what someone would consider to be bad. Which is, like, you know, selfishness and, oh, like demonic stuff. I see. Yeah, I don't think I plan on adding demonic stuff. Although there might be some sort of like representation of demon, like, you know, kind of like you know, facing your demons sort of thing is a common saying, and sometimes that can be represented with a literal demon. Let me see. Okay, I'm trying to see. We're in the birth state. Here, let me add like a crap ton of... Okay, room name. Room name, room 114. It says room name when it's something like anger, angst, hopelessness in a form of a monster animal. It's, for me, it's something other than an actual evil thing. Yeah, that's more so what it is that I have in the game, where it's like there's going to be something evil in the game, but it's kind of like, originally what I wanted to do was like, oh, there's a shadow in the game, and that shadow, it like is perceivably, you know, evil, but at the end you find out the shadow is you. Spoiler alert. Dude, I don't get it. Alright, let's run this again. Okay, room name, room 114. Okay, we got the room name. It only took 20 million minutes. Current auto tile, get auto tile, var. Okay, add child, the temp spike area. So this should already be in our game. So if I go into remotes, shit, I missed whatever the reward was. Whoever you were, whatever you asked for, let me know. I assume it might have been a hydrate or something, but I missed it. Oh yeah, it was a hydrate. Okay. Let's see our remote here. Why is it saying main menu? We're not in the main. Oh, we are in the main menu. Let's run this again. Why is my main character naked? It might change. Because I wanted it to be like, oh, he's dead, and then he goes back to his like original form, like, you know, he goes back to being a baby. And, you know, you don't have clothes. But he's also a ghost, so it's like half human, half ghost. Don't think too deep into it. Okay. Let's restart this. All right. Let's see again. We got our main scene. Go into world demo. We go into room 114. We see. Okay. Oh, it worked. Okay. The issue is that we didn't add it to the spikes tile map. That's why it wasn't working. God damn. So, I don't know if this worked. Well, now we know we just have to add it as a child to the correct area, but it still might not work after that. We'll have to see. Let's go into our room here. And instead of saying add child temp spike tile map area, we're going to say, wait, what? Removed. Oh, okay, right over here. Temp spike tilemap area dot area 2D node. And that is it. Baby clothes with baby things like strawberries and ships would be so cute. I'd rather have darkness induced by the white and black contrast. Oof. Collision normal. Oh, right, we have this stuff now. Okay, so we shall remove this for now. All of this. All we need is to remove the health from the player. Here, let's just do body dot damage. Whoops, 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 whoops. And we don't actually have damage in our game yet for our area here. Okay. Will this work? Oh, Minecraft. Got my childhood game, yeah. Minecraft has some really good music, especially lately. Like, I've been playing a little bit of Minecraft. Yes, finally. Oh my god. It does lag a little bit though. Like, I don't know why. It might be because this room is like super low. Let's try it out in another room. Cause yeah, we did make this room 10 million, tiles wide for no reason. Let me try this room. Oh, wait. Will this work? I forgot what I did with these rooms. Oh my god, it doesn't work on these tiles. I forgot, we rewrote. What did we do? Why doesn't it work here anymore? Let me see. We'll know right away. Okay, so it's the right tiles, it seems. Maybe. Let's try this. We die. Okay, yeah. Let's find out. I have to use the bathroom again. Drink way too much tea. Okay. What is going on with these new rooms? Why does it only work in room 114? What does this say? Oh yeah, we're grabbing our parent here. Let's see what it looks like in other rooms here. Let's look at this one, I guess. Okay. Oh, it's because it's called tile. Are we checking specifically for the name? Spike tile map. Yeah, we are. Okay, so that's why it's not working. How long do I want it to be? It really depends on how the Kickstarter goes. Oh, Spike Tile Map is correct here. It's just it wasn't correct for the first view. Let me see. Spike Tile Map. Okay. I think we're fine. Like 1 hour, 10 hours. Ideally, like if I could choose, I would want it to be, you know, 20 hours. How long is it actually going to be? Wait, what the? Oh, what? Oh, you know what? Here, let me see this. Okay, yeah. Our hitboxes are messed up in the Twilight state, but that's okay. Oh. Alright, let's get rid of this. So yeah, ideally, 20 hours, or yeah, like in a perfect world, 20 hours. Realistically, probably at least 5 hours, I would say. Okay, so we'll die like that. We'll die on a regular collision like this. Oh yeah, and it doesn't lag, or it doesn't lag on these rooms, like, you know, respawning, so that's a good sign. Yeah, realistically, probably around 5 hours. It also depends on how good you are at the game. Like, so the average player with the current demo at the moment takes about, I want to say 20, action, but like usually around 40 minutes. But speedrunners can beat the game. Like currently, the world record for the game is it's like 3 minutes. And here, let me check. I can even show you what the world record looks like. Where is Discord? Here. This was recently made. Right here. I think it's, yeah, just under 3 minutes, I believe. No sound, but yeah, this is someone running through this really quick. It's basically, you get better at it as you go. 3 minutes would feel like an attack on me. I mean, this is just technically, this is not the, you know, the full game. This is just a demo showcasing all, or almost all, the mechanics. So, like, everything here would be spread out among, like, speedrunning the first level would be... This is like speedrunning the first level. The first level would be 3 minutes long. Still, if you're able to beat this in 3 minutes, then speedrunning the other rooms. Although the other rooms would be a lot harder. So, yeah. So imagine this being like 1 out of 5. It's still pretty short. Like, you could beat the game in, let's say, like 15... Like, if you're consistent and there's 5 levels or 5, like, chapters in the game, you would beat the game in, what, 15 minutes? 15, 20 minutes. So yeah, that's what I'm going for. Shouldn't be too difficult. Level design is my least favorite thing, though. That's why, like, you even see the title here today. It says level design. I was supposed to... Oh, I'll showcase most of it, the rest of it. I was supposed to do level design for the entire day, and we got some done, but not nearly as much as I wanted to. But that's because we're we redid how our spikes work now. So now we can use a tile map to draw everything, and not only use a tile map, but also just cover our screen in spikes, and then it'll automatically set up the spikes for us. Like, it's pretty neat, actually. I think it's pretty neat. It saves me, like, at least it saves future me from having to draw a bunch. It's so relaxing to see it. Yeah, it's relaxing when you see a good person, like, you know, someone who's good at playing the game, play the game. Because if you're struggling with the game, you're going to... This game induces rages, you know? It's rage-inducing. Love story and pixeling. The sound would have been nice, but I don't think he recorded with sound. Eventually, we're gonna add some better graphics too. Like, I do want to update the player graphics. I want to update the background and foreground, all that stuff. Just takes time. I mainly focus on the programming aspect, like the level, not the level design, the like mechanic design. That's my favorite part. Oh yeah. This is the end. There's like extra stuff, like hidden secrets and stuff, but he skipped that for the sake of the speedrun. So yeah, 3 minutes and 59 seconds. Just under 4 minutes. Alright. So it doesn't crash, or the game doesn't lag here, but it does lag in other, like here, let me make sure. Oh wait, I think we already tried it here. Just make sure. Yeah, it's probably just that room is so big, and there's so many spikes that we're iterating through. I should probably just here, wait. Oh, we also need to make sure the material here is, the shader material is set properly. As you can see, the spikes are like super dark. They should be bright. Oh, we need to add spikes here too. Okay. So yeah, here it's going to be very, very... Oh, let's die. Yeah, it takes a long time. Let me see. See what happens if we delete like half of these spikes. And it's not like it's not game breaking, but I don't want, you know, I don't want it to take 2 seconds to load a room. I would just split it into 2 rooms. Aren't the spikes of the aren't the spiked in other objects just instance of an object? So it shouldn't really cause lag. What I did now, it's different now. So, oh, what? It's still a little laggy. Or maybe I'm tripping. Let me see. Oh, I should have just compared it to the last room. So, the reason why there's a bunch of lag is, or like, you know, there's a delay, is because we're using a tile map to draw like a crap ton. Here, let me see. Yeah, there is a delay, but I wonder if it's because of our tile maps. Like, our tile map is huge here. Let me see. We go into this room. Let's just reduce it by like... Let's just do that for the sake of argument. I just want to see. Okay, yeah, I think it's the same. But yeah, the reason why it's lagging now is because I did this thing where I'm like, I add a crap ton of them now. Like, you can see this red right here represents each of these is a tile, and I'm iterating through all of these tiles, checking for, you know, if we hit something, and if that something has anything to the right of it, and if it doesn't, then we add a spike. So it's like, I guess a lot of, you know, it's called, a lot of calculations going on. This is because I'm being lazy. Like, I guess you could say I'm being lazy. Like, we could technically do this where, like, we're a little bit more lenient with all the ones that we have to iterate through. And, like, if I only put it on the pieces that are important, like, this is a little better. If I was trying to save on computation power, I could do this, and I think it'll not lag nearly as much. But also, I heard someone say that having it instanced is not nearly as efficient as having a tile map. So yeah, if I do this, I think it's a little better. I'm gonna try it out. Let's see how quick it runs now. Yeah, tile map is more efficient. Oh, why is it red here though? Oh, I guess we didn't remove. Why is that happening now? We'll have to look into that. Wait, we didn't check. Yeah, now it's pretty quick. Like, it's literally instantaneous. If we just draw it like this. If we draw it, like, if we cover the entire map with it, just like, you know, we're just lazy. I guess that's what causes it to lag. But it's still, it's because we have two of these. What the hell? Accidentally duplicated it, I guess. I read that enabling Y sorting on the tile map node could help, but I'm not sure. We still need to fix this tile map. It's not perfect yet, but I think we're gonna leave it here for today. I'm probably gonna do more level design like on my own, like at night or something, before I go to bed. But yep. Thank you for watching, everyone. Let's see who is online for us to rate. Iris John. Mapus Games. Maui. Oh, I think Maui, he rated me one time. Let's rate him. And he does pixel art, RPG Maker. Oh, pixel art and RPG Maker and Godot. Very interesting. Sleep good, yo. I will see you, Mr. Johannes Life. Thank you for watching. That sounded ingenuine, but thank you. Disingenuine. I don't know. Bye, guys.